fight is not gonna happen. Nobody talked to him na, oh, amenable ka ba sa date? Amenable ka ba sa ganyan? So I think kung magkakaroon ng fraud case dito, lalong-lalo lang, nagkaroon ng bentahan ng 300,000 pesos na ticket. This is a ticketed event. They are expecting to see Mayor Baste and Torre to fight. And this is the bigger problem. John Vic Remulla is present in that event. Ang ina mo, dapat makasuhan ka. You attended the show knowing na inapprove mo yung travel authority ni Mayor Baste. So, ikaw, hindi ka nagsalita dito na, ay hindi, may travel authority siya, pinirmahan ko yung travel authority niya hanggang 27. You know that this is a ticketed event. You know that the people who went there bought ticket for 100 pesos to watch the event. So what does that mean? Fraud! Pinost si Mayor Baste yung kanyang travel authority, and of course, it is signed by John Vic Remulla. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo nung isang araw, na ang travel authority, matagal yung pinaprocess. Gumastos pa kayo ng pangrenta sa Rizal Memorial Stadium, pati yung mga pulis. Pinilit nyo pa na manood ng fight na yan para sa operation ninyo, para lang pagmukain ninyo na duwag si Baste. 'Di ba? Para lang tirahin ang Duterte. Somebody please sue Games and Amusement Board. Those people who signed this resolution, sue them. Sue them all, please. Sobrang grabe na to.